Why is it when you search for binary options, it's all about scams? Travis?
Yeah, it's a great question. So it's unfortunate, and it's not just binary options. I think there's a lot of asset classes that have kind of gone through some turmoil over the course of their history. It's just so unfortunate that binary options has been fairly recent. So in 2017, in conjunction with a lot that was going on with the crypto craze and the crypto boom, you have a lot of offshore providers that were providing a quote-unquote binary option, although it was very different than the type of binary option that we have. And at the end of the day, unfortunately, a lot of these companies were fraudulent. So, people were putting money in, trying to access these markets, trying to trade these products, and at the end of the day, couldn't take their money out. It's a scam, if you will, that caught the attention of the regulators, regulators overseas, and they ultimately shut it down. Now, that being said, Nadex for 11 years now, CFTC regulated, 11 years of goodwill, an absolute, credible source and resource for those who want to trade binary options here in the U.S. But when you're online, as you can find anything on the internet, you're certainly going to find that offshore history when you search for binary options. So it's something that we're proactively working with. We're proactively working with the likes of Google, with the likes of Apple. We're working with the regulators to clean that up, if you will, and really just like we're doing right now, get our name out and let people know that we are a legitimate provider and a legitimate access point for these products.